to give you some tips and advice that you can do well more when you apply for Vietnam Social Health Revolution. First is a well prepared. You should search more about the information and know what scholarship you apply to, what is vision and mission. And second, practice at home. This make you more fluent and make you can convey your message and idea better. And last but not least, just be yourself. Speak up what you think, and the judges is really nice, and they also give you some advice and feedback. So just be yourself. And right now, I'm really excited to wait for the result. And after receiving results from the Vietnam Social Health Revolutions, I will give my full energetic and just want to brainstorm and have ideas about the projects that I will do with the Vietnam Social Health Revolution. So it's really excited right now, and I hope all of you guys will give your energy and your enthusiasm when you come to this scholarship.